is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, SICKDOE and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Nigga, SICKDOE and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making SICKDOE and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto. Don't flip, yo.
Don't flip, yo.
It goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy. It goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more.
Wall Street Pete's SICKDOE in Crypto. And if you want to learn how to make SICKDOE in crypto, you hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Merry Christmas Eve. We're here. We talked about the 24th. We talked about getting here. We talked about 10 days ago. Why it would take this long to get here for it to flip and reverse. You hit the like and subscribe. We have crypto news for you every single day. We talk about live TA, and this is what we do for you. So you do this every day, and we do this every day for you. So please come in, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit share with a friend. And why Terra Luna? Well, why Terra stands out among rival cryptocurrencies projects. Big deal. There is two ways right now, and Terra has created two cryptocurrencies. One is UST, a stable coin internationally pegged to the US dollar. Well, there are other stable coins that intend to do this, but most are backed by the dollar. With the UST, its value is backed by Terra's other cryptocurrency. So, which makes things a little interesting here. Excuse me one second. If the value of UST drops relative to the dollar, then the investors can sell UST for dollars and make money. But selling UST burns those tokens, decreasing supply and boosting the UST's value back in line with the dollar. So if the value shoots too high, investors can swap Luna tokens for the UST, which exists in one-to-one relationship, and make money this way. But swapping Luna tokens for UST creates new UST tokens, increasing the supply and bringing its value back down in line with the US dollar. So understand what's happening. This is a creation of the Luna project. It's different than all the others, and there's a reason why it took a long time. It's now lagging, and now here we're going to talk a little bit about it. This is what I'm starting to think here. I'm starting to understand. And technical analysis usually doesn't lie. If you followed me from the very beginning all the way to the end of this year, you know we started our channel. We're growing, and our TA's been pretty on point. Every time I get above this line here, we seem to have been getting resistance over and over and over and over again. The trend is your friend, and we are currently going towards the up. But if you do notice every time on the RSI level, this is the 4-hourly on Trading View. We get a little bit of a fall, so I'm starting to see a fall here come through. Eventually, it's going to peak out. So we got a little bit more up to go. This is what I'm trying to explain. I do believe 121 Terra Luna. That will be the top out. Currently showing on the 4-hourly a nice shoulder with a head double top, maybe formation coming, giving us that head right about there. So I do believe that Terra Luna, this is a quick video for some of you Terra Luna fans. We do come down, retrace, come back to the $84, $81, very, very likely. And then one more chance to see the $72, 53 being the worst. I don't think we're going to ever see $53. levels. But after we do retrace, coming from the top, so I'm going to show you the top. I'm going to show you the bottom, which is very impressive. Please hit that like and subscribe. Somewhere along here will be a shoulder developed with the flip of resistance back to support here. It will come back down to the 84, perhaps, like I said. Lowest price really being is the 72. But you do see there's a 52 there. So Terra Luna, real quick, just wanted to give some people advice, some understanding, as this is not trading. This is not financial advice. This is just entertainment advice. Do your own research. It's very important. I am not a financial advisor, so this is important here to follow the trend. Trend is your friend. If you see the last growth all the way from the back of last year, you'll see what's coming through. This is the 4-hourly. I'm sorry. Last year is what's the next chart. Excuse me. We've been doing some charts for you, so I got some Bitcoin news, and this is last year. Excuse me. 1224. So this is Bitcoin right now. Looking at the growth, looking at the movement, looking at an upward W. So if you do see that, a good one, Tommy, RJ. Merry Christmas to you all, and Happy Kwanzaa and everything that you may celebrate. Gary also as well. What's going on? Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to some of y'all, depending on where you're from. We have people everywhere. We're the Bulls of Wall Street. So this is a gentleman who used to work there. That's why he has some good intel, some good experience here. Letting you know that I am amazed on this. 117%, 120% move. Where does that take Bitcoin? Coming into the week, this is the weekly on TradingView. You can get TradingView on your phone. You can get TradingView on your PC. But if you do pay attention to the price action, December, right around here, December 24th, Christmas Eve of last year, we did get a nice move. If you see 481%, what's going on, Nick? How are you doing? I hope everyone's feeling well in your household. I hope you're doing much better. Have a Merry Christmas if I don't get to speak to you and everyone else. Talking about what's going on right now. So this is the weekly. And if the weekly does project in the first quarter of the year here, quarter one is going to look relatively exactly what everyone's talking about. For the first time, and I have to admit, for the first time, my TA is bringing 100K. I've not yet to see 100K. If you follow me, you already know we've talked about the 84,000, 86,000 being the top. We've talked about that many times on this channel, and that's about what I thought. Well, on the weekly, if you pay attention, definitely to mention the Netherlands. I love it. Pay attention to this. We're looking to get 100K coming upon the weekly formation here from last year's bull price action. So see that obviously after the 100K, it does look like there is a little bit of a correction once again. Do believe the FOMO takes us all the way to 120. Yes, I know it gets old talking about Bitcoin being bullish and whatnot, and then we really don't go nowhere. But you have to understand. I'm glad to hear that. Everyone's doing better. You have to understand that we came on here 10 days ago. We took a Christmas break. And 10 days ago, we came on here. We said Christmas Eve would be the day to really start paying attention. So if you see what's happening here, this is the weekly. Got the weekly. Our first week is looking rather bullish. Started to take over 3 weeks ago. So 1 week, each candle's a week. We're literally decimating 3 weeks of the down with a 1 week pull up that's not even finished yet. We have 2 days and 10 hours. So this Sunday after Christmas, we'll be closing this weekly candle. We'll be coming live to you. Do believe if we can break some old support, which is somewhere around here as we're doing right now. The support level was 49.1 back in April of this year. If we close above the 49.1, you better bet your ass 49.1, and we close above the weekly, which we're already nice, handsomely above. We're going to get some really nice price action. We're going to get an upward W, and if you do see the higher, you do see a higher price action coming every time when we hit this bottom peak, a new higher low. Well, you'll understand a new higher low. Every time you hit a new low, it becomes a higher price. So that's what the definition of that is. Maybe you just learned that today, not sure. But real quick, trying to make this a quick video between Bitcoin and Terra Luna, what's going on. This is kind of what's happening. So understand support level at the 46, a new higher low. Back in July 19th, there was a new higher low. So every time we are performing a new higher low, every time it hits, this is about the same price as last one. So that's why we remained, I would imagine, a double top and remain bearish. But now if you see, we're continuing to propel back into the upward motion. Where shall we get that new higher low? Perhaps 54,000, somewhere in there. That's starting to see what I see. And do you see what I see? I see some wheels forming, coming back in a rising channel. I mean, get rid of it all. Don't really give a damn. But if you pay attention, this is the weekly, and if you see the weekly, we went over this on my channel before. Very, very important to talk about. There is an ascending channel coming. It's forming here, looking rather bullish, and if we can continue to get these high volatile waves, this roller coaster ride in this channel, you're going to understand that 72,000 is imminent. So it's looking wonderful. It's looking great. The cryptocurrency market is fantastic. Wanted to do just maybe a 10-minute video. I'm kind of excited. I hope you have a Merry Christmas or whatever you may celebrate. Please do not sell with emotion. Do not trade with emotion, as we teach in our previous videos, talk about it. There are a lot of tokens that need correcting as far as back to the upside. You ever hear that? So we need to get back. Cardano's one of them, 145. We need to get back to the prices we're used to. So understand what's happening here. In order to get to the 100K, of course, we do need to see the 73,000. So before the first time, Wall Street Pete is telling you he has found TA in the charts showing us 100K. I'm pretty excited. You're invited, so please check it out. No doubt, rising channel in this area here. Looking fantastic. I'm hoping I get that back. I did. Fantastic. And that's what I wanted to show you. So 100K back in the charts. I'm excited. Everybody, have a Merry Christmas. Maybe we come back on again. I want to see if something does happen. But if we're not doing a lot of videos, please don't lose faith in us. We're not doing a lot of videos because perhaps we know that the market is not doing much. So don't waste your time looking at your phone 100 times all day. Spend some time with your family. Wall Street Pete has got your back. This is entertainment purposes only. But hey, this is my strategy. New York Mercantile Exchange, the NYMEX. We used to work here. I love this place. It's now the Van Gogh Museum. I say with my heart as it trembles. Why they could not leave the open outcry pit alone and let a few winner chicken dinners work there. I was good at what I did. I love that place. I am one of those people who have to do 10 things in order to keep myself busy. One thing does not keep me busy. I'm one of those people, seriously, you have to play two different games. I have to do 2 different projects at the same time. I'm thinking about 100 different things. My brain used to just record and remember 50 different things and just write them all down and then boom, boom, boom. So have a wonderful day. If I have OpenSea, can I send an NFT to folks who use the one you use? I believe you can. I'm not too much into the NFTs right now, but hey, maybe we'll talk about that for the new year. Maybe that's going to be one of my New Year resolutions. The one you use. So I don't have one right now. I have Gateway and OpenSea. I got a bad experience with, which is not bad. OpenSea's good. I just screwed up when I was a noob, when I was new into the world, and I kind of got schooled. So be careful on OpenSea. But we do go live every day for you. We talk to the wolves here. It's wonderful. You got in for $25. That's hilarious. So did my buddy Hydro. Just keep it. Just hodl it a good one. If you have Terra Luna anywhere cheaper than $25, you are the master. So be a master hodler. Enjoy your holidays. We'll be back on when we feel it's necessary. We're trying to get back on track for 8 a.m., 8 p.m. Eastern Time, New York time videos. Unfortunately, the Christmas break with the kids home and everything is killing us. As you can see, it's definitely affecting. But like I said, we have not been live as of late because the market is really not doing anything I feel necessary for us to come on. But pay attention. This gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. I worked on Wall Street. These crazy numbers up here, I used to love paying attention to them and watching what would happen. But hey, we represent the U.S. This is where we're from. You're from somewhere else. That's a wonderful thing. Let us know where you're from in the comments section. Let us know what token you want to talk about. Maybe we do a token tonight, Christmas Eve. I was thinking about doing a little special tonight. So maybe a little Christmas Eve special before Santa comes out. Maybe I can act as Santa, and I'm going to go off the list of tokens that you want to go over on TradingView. And if it's on TradingView, we're going to talk about it. So Bitco, excuse me, and Jasmy, they're going to do some wonderful things. Hold them. Maybe we talk about them tonight. That's one of the 2 tokens we'll talk about. Bitcoinami and Jasmy. Very, very important to talk about. Those are projects I do believe in coming into the 2022, especially Bitco with its metaverse transaction and what happens. If you've not paid attention, watch some of the commercials coming out. Every time I see a new commercial, it's always with the 3D glasses. This virtual world that we're going to be living in is going to affect these coins. It's going to affect these assets. I want you to understand. We just started, ladies and gentlemen. The crypto market does not stop. It does not close. Have a wonderful day. Understand that. Keep that in your brain. Keep that in mind. When Bitcoin can trade all over the world as it runs the crypto market, and you can send money at 2 in the morning, $500,000 at any price in the morning at 4 a.m., the banks are closed on Sundays, but crypto is open 24/7. That's why you can't stop looking at it at 6 in the morning, 4 in the morning, going to the bathroom, whatever you may do. Understand that this is the future. If you don't understand that, you need to share this with a friend. Have a debate. Have a friendly debate, but understand this market's open 24/7. It does not close. If you owe me money, there is no excuses. I have to run to the bank tomorrow morning. You run to the bank right now, you son of a bee, and get me my money right now. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. Love y'all. Peace in and peace out. Have a wonderful day.
We're gonna have a good day. La-di-da-da. Ain't no one gonna die today.
You hit that like, you hit that subscribe, because we're going on a ride, and one day we're going to feed the poor. Thanks again, everybody. I can't wait for this year. It's going to be a special year.